Okay, you guys, I have discovered something and I want to do a little thing to show you. So these two nails, I just built them with the polish. So if you want to make fake nails with this, you can. So I'm going to show you something. These nail forms, I ordered 500 of them off Amazon for 11 bucks. I want to show you how you can do this. So my nails are a little shorter than I want them to be, and plus I just was curious about this. So you take a nail form, you give it a little bit of a curve, and then you take it off. Okay. And you stick this around. Now, this, I've only done the two that are on my finger right now. So this is how new I am at this, but you stick it on. So it's basically like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take champagne toast. You can do this with only clearly frisky if you want, but the champagne toast makes it look like so I'm going to start by putting it right where the nail form meets the my nail, and build that up there. Like that. And then I'm still going to put some on my nail and bring it down. Okay, that's layer one. 5 layers of this, and you're gonna have a nail that looks like a real nail. I'm pretty excited about it, actually. I'm going to do my whole hands, both of them. It's going to take me a long time, but I wanted to just show you one finger first so that the video is not forever long. So this will probably be about 10 or 15 minutes, but your mind's going to be blown because mine is. I can't believe how real they look. And I'm going to paint them after I'm done, which I might wait and do live tomorrow because I was planning on doing live tonight, but so there's one layer. So again, I'm going to start right mostly where that's where you want to be the strongest point, and then I don't really care about how even or uneven the end part is because I'm going to be filing it down anyways when I'm done. So that's that for those ones. Every time I think this product and polish can't impress me more, I learn new tricks. And this is an awesome one because I don't know about you guys, but how much do you pay to go get nail extensions at the salon, and how much does it wreck your nails when you get nail extensions at the salon? Probably a lot. You do not need to do that anymore because you can just use this. And it's amazing. You're going to see. I'm going to paint. I'm going to do Echoes of Paris. I have, I'm not doing it right now, but later, my plan for my next. Now I'm going to use Clearly Frisky. Is to use Echoes of Paris, and I want to do some white flowers. So that's 3. So 2 more coats, and then there's going to be a nail on my nail. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, these nail forms, and there's different ones, but these ones, I got this huge roll. There's 500 of them for $11. So I'm sure it'll take me a long time to go through those. So that's the third coat, right? Was that 3? I think that was 3. Yeah, 3. So this will be 4. Again, right on the where the nail meets, you want that to be the strongest point. And then you kind of just blend down your nail. And like I say, with practice, this is my very first time doing this. This is my 3rd nail that I've ever done, and I'm doing it on a video because it was that easy for me to figure it out. So with practice, I'm sure you can get really, really good at it and be more precise with how you want the ends to be. When I take it off, I'm gonna have to file quite a bit, but then I can get whatever shape that I want. So I'll do one more coat of the Clearly Frisky, and then I take the form off. I'm excited about this. One more. That's good. One more time under the light, and then you're gonna see how awesome this is. And I'm just gonna use this little file, and you'll be able to see how firm and hard it is. Sturdy, just like a regular nail. You can't. I'm videoing right now. I will hear you. Just wait a minute. Okay, that is 5. So look at this. So now you just want to be careful around the edges. But look at this. It just comes right off. Look at this. Nail. Where's my file? Oh, right here. It's my nail. I just built this nail. Now look. I'm going to file it.
This video for YouTube?
Yeah, but don't bug me while I'm doing it, okay?
You should do that to my nails.
So you can file it. You can just see, like, you can go to town on this thing. Because it looks, it's firm. It's on there, attached to your nail. So you can shape it however you want.
Can you do that to my nails?
Okay, Abrielle, maybe. Pretty awesome. Look. 3 down. Those are fake gel polish nails. So cool. That's my little trick I learned, so I hope you enjoyed that.